how to upload cover photo of Facebook profile. So without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the Facebook application. So after this, you can see profile options. So just click on profile. So after this, here you can see add a cover photo. So just click on any side of this. So after this, here you can see upload photo option. So click on it, and then it will show your gallery. So select any picture which you want to upload as a cover photo. So after selecting, click on it and then click on save options. So guys, here wait some second, you can see cover photo is uploading. So you can see it has been uploaded. So guys, in this way you can upload cover photo of Facebook profile. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.